Hello, how y'all doing? I'm Terrence Clay. I'm gonna be an instructor today for Windows 7 Microsoft. We're gonna talk about troubleshooting files, installation with setup logs. I'm gonna get in a little bit in depth what that pretty much means. Sometimes when you install Windows 7 or during going through a process of installations, pretty much you set up your setup programs create logs, files that you can view and check for problems install installations. So what we do is to get there, click start, click computer. Double click this, we'll click on window, scroll down till we see, where's my favorite word? See, setup log. Anytime you have an error on a notepad, if there's no error occurs during the installation, this file will be empty. You close out of Windows. That's pretty much about it for this project. So there you have it. That's how you pretty much check your logs to see if you had any corrupted installations or problems that went on. I'm your host, Terrence Clay. Thank you again. Close out.